Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing how easy it is to get your first item listed on PeerMetals.com and exposed to thousands of extra buyers. It doesn't matter if you're selling a 1-ounce silver bar or a $10,000 graded coin. Our website, PeerMetals.com, can get your listing exposed to thousands of already interested buyers looking for precious metals and rare coins. I'm also going to show you a few extra tips on how you can create a highly optimized and convertible listing for PeerMetals.com. We also have really awesome synchronization tools like eBay Sync and WooCommerce Sync. But this video is just going to demonstrate making your own listing from scratch. So let's go ahead and get started on this. This already assumes that you are logged into your account and you are already a seller. So let's first start by uploading the photos that I have of this coin. We are going to be uploading a Morgan silver dollar. And the next thing I want to do is just make sure these are ordered correctly, which it actually is. And I also uploaded a video. So I have photos and a video. Next thing we need to do is determine a title. The title should simply just be exactly what your coin is. So this is an 1883 PCGS MS63 Morgan silver dollar with a CAC bean. So that's exactly what the title should say. Let's go ahead and work that out. Awesome, title's done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the title of the item and we're gonna give that to ChatGPT and I'm gonna tell it to write us a description. Soon we might implement AI into the listing. Stay tuned. Awesome. I have now pasted my GPT description, which I read and it looks perfect, into the description field. Next thing we need to do is metal type. This is a silver coin and this is a numismatic piece. Next thing we need to look at is subcategories. I know the subcategories. You'll have to take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the subcategories, but what we have right now is a US coin and it's a certified and graded coin. Next is weight, and there is the silver weight, and I do know it is 90% purity. Okay, now we're gonna run a buy it now listing. We're not gonna worry about auctions, and we're also not gonna worry about live shopping, okay? So the original price is if you want to make it look like it is on sale, or if you have it marked down for whatever reason. So the original price for me was $200, and I'm gonna put the sale price as $190, showing a discount of 5%. Just a couple things to point out. You can use spot price to automatically change the price of your listing live. So if you're like selling a 1-ounce silver bar, you can have the spot price of silver tracked to that 1-ounce silver bar and it will change automatically for you. But that's not valid in this particular item because this is a numismatic piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select enable offers because I do want offers for this, and you can set your auto accept price or your auto deny price. Now we're going to work on the quantity. I have one of this coin, but if you have multiple of something, go ahead and set that. This is a single coin, not a lot. And then I'm just need to type in the year, which is 1883. The mint is the US Mint. The grade is MS63. The country is United States. And the face value is $1. I do not know the mintage. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. The next thing is listing tags. You can list up to 10 tags that help your item rank on the website in search terms and also across Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, whatever search engine it is. It helps rank across search engines as well. So let's just go ahead and make up a couple. Boom, I went ahead and added a few tags here. Feel free to add up to 10 and use them as you wish. Next thing is shipping profile. If you don't know what a shipping profile is, go to the help center and make sure to look at that. Shipping profiles are important and those should be already set up before you list an item. So now I'm just gonna select my 1 ounce because this is approximately 1 ounce. And all I need to do here is just press publish. Awesome, now my coin is live and we can look at it here. So it has my profile, it has the image here with a nice little zoom feature, it has the price, it has that sale price on here, the make an offer is here. Oh wow, it's showing shipping even too, all the specifications I added, the description, and all this extra stuff, and there's all my tags too. So that's all you need to do to list your first item on PeerMetals.com in less than 15 minutes. If this video was helpful, drop a comment below and give it a thumbs up. If you're on the help center, down at the bottom of the article, there will be a thumbs up or a thumbs down if this video helped you. Give it a thumbs up if it did, give it a thumbs down if it didn't, and also describe what we could do better. If there's any specific content you want to see on the channel, please drop a comment below telling us what you want to see. Thank you so much.